Well, hello, fellow diamond painters. It's DP Crazy Lady here. Uh, it is the 23rd now because it's 2:21 a.m., which would make it Wednesday, or excuse me, Tuesday, uh, 2026 June. This is Paint Some Way. I finished her. That is a goddess of nature through Paint Some Way. It's a 40 by 60, 20 colors, I believe. Hold on a minute. Oh, I knew this was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen because I was going to have to lift that up. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's 20 colors. Here's the picture. And it's a 40 by 60. Around 20 colors. No ABs, but it is shiny. And she is finished. I love her eyes. This thing is gorgeous. It really is beautiful. Then there is the little old lady knitting. I've gotten to just at the arms of the chair, so this should be finished in a couple days. And I'm showing you that because, let's see if I can get this one up there. You'll have to excuse my lousy camera work, but this is the other one from Paint Some Way. It's like what I call the twin. I think they turned out so well. I mean, I was happy to get the other one and, see that I had the other one. So I've got them both from Paint Some Way. Should have done this a little better, but you know what? I'm not a professional. So I thought I would show you the progress. Like I said, this one's done, and this one is about halfway. And it's a round, and it's a 40 by 40. There are 20 colors in it as well. You can see sparkle, shine, the little kitty. I really like it. If I can find frames for both of them, I may frame them both and hang them in my hallway. So, nothing else going on. Lots of storms off and on. Rain. Temperatures mid 70s all the time. About 50 something in the evening at night. This is what I was talking about. All these up here are the ones that are finished, that won't fit in the plastic folders that I have. I don't have one that'll hold bigger than 30 by 40, or yeah, 30 by 40s, and those are bigger. Just like these 40 by 40s, I have to roll them and then put them in that. So, yeah, I guess that's about it. A very short video. Please visit Paint Some Way because this is, Goddess of Nature. Really nice. As you can see where the sun is, where the setting is up there in the top of her head, it looks like, a lake with the sun coming down. I mean, it's very detailed. I think it's very detailed. So, and the little old lady knitting. So y'all have a good one. Hope you had a good weekend. They're shooting fireworks, fireworks around here like crazy. It starts in May and goes all the way until the end of September. They just keep it up. So poor little Liam is heading for his puppy bed every chance he gets. So y'all have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'll get back on here in another couple days. Not sure when Paint Some Way is sending me something else. They have all the information and they'll let me know the tracking and the shipping. So have a good one. Hugs to you all. Love you. DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.